The last two here of the, making up numbers 9 and 10, both of them deal with investing in your PLM solution. The first grouping of that investing in your PLM solution I want to speak to is maintenance, right? Just like a lot of other things in life, and using the analogy of your vehicle, if you do the little things throughout the entire life of your solution and of your investment, the longer life you're going to have in that solution, just like your vehicle, right? You do the regular maintenances, you do the regular tire pressure checks, new tires, the annual, full systems check. You do that regularly and your vehicle lasts a lot longer, all right? The analogy is very applicable to any technology things, right? We're suggesting a monthly maintenance where best practice is that you're running a verify every single month, right? It can be set up automatically, scheduled, and notify the DBA or the systems administrator of the results, right? It can automatically email it to you. There's no reason not to do that. That's the biggest thing that you can do on a preventative maintenance perspective. The second one is identifying a maintenance window where the system will be unavailable once a month by, to the user base, typically at night or off hours or whatever, if you're global, during a window of time that is least disruptive to the entire world. But for restarts as well as implementation of patches, etc., right? I mean, your monthly maintenance is important. Training of users, right? This is not only just the system or just the end users, but systems administrators, right? There's always something new, always something that is understood that can be better understood in order to maintain a healthier database, a healthier user understanding and experience. And it allows the administrators to learn how to optimize the out-of-the-box capabilities as you go forward, right? Thus adding more value that the solution, that the PLM solution can offer back to the user base. Upgrades, right? Staying current on the latest technology stack. Technology changes every single day, every month. You find something new. There's always new stuff, and so software vendors and providers, they have to draw a line in the sand when they're developing that product with this version, this release. This is my line in the sand. Otherwise, they would never produce a product because it's constantly changing. So you need to understand the upgrades, stay current, not only for deprecating infrastructure pieces such as Windows, as well as Linux. Those OSs are being deprecated every year. There's another set that is being deprecated, and so therefore your support becomes compromised. So anyway, staying current with your upgrades, right? Third-party support. Many times customers don't have the skill set or staff to support their system in the way that it needs to be. So they augment their staff with, quote unquote, a third party. This brings a broader and deeper knowledge to problems. It becomes an information source for the on-premise or the local system administrator. If they have trouble and difficulty doing things, they can pick up the phone or put a ticket in and then work through the issue with the particular systems administrator. So all of these four things are dealing with the maintenance side of investing in your solution.